Okay, we have Connie. We have Connie here. We just closed her on her house. So Connie, why did you decide to sell your house as is?
Because I live in another town, and I know that because of the hurricane, a lot of the subcontractors are kind of gouging right now. And my husband passed away recently also, so I have another estate at my home I'm having to deal with. So I just kind of thought this might be the best way. I didn't want to rent.
Okay.
And I called your company and asked a few questions that were important to me, and they had the right answers.
Oh, great. So I guess that leads into my next question. So why did you decide to sell to us?
I felt like you were the most professional and answered my questions the way I needed them to be answered. I didn't want to get in with somebody that I thought was going to scam me, of course.
Right.
And I guess I just felt most comfortable.
Okay, great. Well, so how satisfied are you with the whole process?
I'm satisfied, very satisfied.
Okay.
Yeah, everything was just as it was told to me, and we actually closed on the closing date we had down, and I have no complaints. I'm very happy.
Okay, great. I'm so glad. And would you mind if we use this for our communications and social media?
No, that's fine with me.
Okay.